What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I always like to check out brand new projects, right? Things that are literally brand new. And the reason why I like to do that, and I've been searching for them a lot more lately, is because that provides an opportunity that no other project or no other ones or type of projects give you. If you're investing into something that's at $1 billion market cap, it's definitely difficult to see the level of growth, right? The same percentage of growth if something's at $1 million market cap, right? Because if it can catch a lot of popularity, what happens? That $100 that you invested now adds two zeros to the table, or maybe three zeros to the table. And if that's the case, you're looking at $100,000 off of a $100 investment. And that's where it ends up getting super interesting because you start playing this game where it's like this is brand new, it's at a $1 million market cap, it catches fire, and you're making so much money from it. And then, you can invest into whatever you want to invest into after you take a little bit of profit, or you see it grow even more, right? You never know what these things are going to be and how popular they're going to be, right? I couldn't have expected that Cat in a Dog's World would be this popular. Obviously, I invested a little bit into it, but I couldn't have expected that it would jump to the level that it did, right? Same thing for Shiba Inu or for a Floki or for all of these other projects that started out small and turned out huge. So I'm always looking for newer projects. Now, I want you to take everything I say in a lot of these videos related to newer projects with a grain of salt because everything has a little bit of risk to it depending on the market, the team development, and the future, the longevity of the project, and also how the markets go. Right, that's really the tell sign of whether something is going to have major success. Right, if we see it launch within more of a bull market, typically we're going to see some success. There's a lot of things that have launched in a bear market and things didn't really have as much success there. And we're talking about really bare, less than $1 trillion market cap. So I wanted to talk about Leonard the Lemur in this video, which is a brand new project that has come across my desk that some people tell me is going to be popular. So I just wanted to bring it out here and do a little bit of research on it. But it is a meme coin, so let's talk about that information. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel, and the links for Leonard the Lemur, I will provide those down there at the top of the description. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the website. The website's pretty simple to understand. Lenard The Lemur, it's currently in PinkSale. You can go into the community as well within the Telegram. You can also check out their Twitter account, which again is pretty much brand new, right? You're looking at 46 followers here, and I'm sure you're going to see some growth as time goes on of, what this is and where this goes, right? Now about Leonard. Leonard is the cousin of Lenny the Lemur, who used to run MySpace back in the day. Leonard enjoys being in the sun and drinking coconuts by the beach. One day, he found Lenny's laptop under his cabana and was sucked into the Solana ecosystem. Uh, Join Leonard on his journey through the Solana blockchain as the cutest new lemur in town. Now, again, this could be something that ends up making a move, right? You never know. It could also be something that doesn't end up making a move. You never truly know exactly what's going to happen depending on the popularity, but they're spending money in the right places to create marketing and everything there. So I would imagine you're going to see some major movement, especially being on the Solana chain. You see the Solana chain that catches a lot more traction than Ethereum, BSC, Avalanche, like all of these chains kind of combine, right? Especially when you're talking about the DEX side. When you're talking about the CEX side, it's a whole nother story, and you're seeing a lot that's going through Ethereum or ERC20, right? But when it comes to the DEX side of things, when it comes to launching a new project without CEXs, Solana is the way to go. You're seeing millions upon millions of dollars that are flowing through this chain in any new project that comes on there, right? So I can imagine you're going to see some major growth here, so long as everything does line up and everything works out there. If we look at the tokenomics, 30% liquidity pool, 60% of the pre-sale, 10% for CEXs. Their phases, they do have their roadmap broken down. Phase 1, website and social media launch, initial marketing campaign, the launch, DEX tools and DEX screener update, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listings in phase 1. No dates, just within phase 1. Then phase 2, donate to Leonard The Lemur Conservation Foundation. That's pretty cool. CEX listings, partnership announcement, CerTic audit. And you have phase 3, merch launch, community expansion, Discord and Reddit. And then you have major CEXs is what they're looking for, meaning maybe a tier 2 or multiple tier 2, maybe a tier 1, depending on the level of volume that goes through it. It could be a tier 1 exchange for them. Web3 partnerships, Vegas Sphere takeover. So to take over Vegas Sphere would be interesting, because from what I heard, they don't really allow cryptocurrencies on there, but I believe they did have, unless it was edited, they did have like a certain cryptocurrency, whether it was cat with hat or dog with hat or something like that. I don't know. But different partnerships right now. You have PinkSale, DexView, Dex Screener, and Radium. So let's go into the PinkSale, which is the pre-sale. Currently 3 days out. So pre-sale starts in 3 days and 7 hours 28 minutes, and you're looking at 50 SOL as that goal, which is 7.1k. I would imagine they're going to break through that goal there. Again, 3 days until this does start, and max that you could buy is 10 SOL, but who knows exactly how much is going to be totaled there in how much gets raised here. So again, they have everything listed as to what they're looking to do, right? You have CerTic audit and KYC. You have tier 1 CT. You have a major Telegram. You have or major TG. I think that's a Telegram. DEX tools and DEX screener Chen. No private sale, no team tokens, burnt LP. So I want to see all of that data as well as you go into the contract, which is definitely good there. And again, they're just getting started. So it's nothing to say that this is absolutely going to be major, but you never truly know, right? That's the thing, is I like to take risks. So when I take a risk, I don't expect anybody to take that risk with me, but I do like to take risks at times, and I will put $100 into something that's new, or I'll put $200 into something that's new, and then go back to it and I'm like, wait, why is this worth $2,000? Why is this worth $3,000 off of a $100 investment? Absolutely amazing, right? So I like to take risks, and I start to take a little bit bigger risks as the days have been going on. So, and that's just me. I'm not saying that you should take a risk into it. I'm saying that you should always weigh your options in everything that you're deciding to or have a chance to invest into. But guys, let me know what you think about Leonard the Lemur. Do you think it's going to be popular? Do you think it's going to push? What do you think the market cap will get up to? I want to see maybe a vote down below. I'll put something like in the comments, and you guys can tell me what you believe the market cap will get to. I'm going to say that I think this will start at like maybe a $1 million market cap, maybe $2 million. I hope that's the case. And then it will push up to about a $10 to $20 million market cap. That's what I'm going to say. That's what I believe, but it's not saying that it's 100%. Take it all with a grain of salt, because it is brand new. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.